guys, and welcome back to the Twins and Me. Today I've got an Asda grocery haul. Now normally we shop at Tesco because I work for Tesco, so it's easier just for me to do a click and collect it after work. But I'm not at work this week, and Tesco is actually quite far away. I have to go past like three supermarkets to get to Tesco. So we've done an Asda click and collect. And then I just got a couple of bits from Lidl because it's next to Asda, because I ordered some Ben & Jerry's vegan ice cream and they substituted it for a non-vegan ice cream. So obviously that's no good. And I thought, well, while I'm next to Lidl and it's nice and quiet, I'll just nip in there quickly. So I've got a couple of bits from there that I'll show you at the end as well. So yeah, I thought I'd show you what I've got. Some bits we haven't tried before, which I'll show when we get there. Okay, so start with the frozen stuff. We've got some of these strong roots cauliflower hash browns. They weren't really for a meal in particular. They're just to have in the freezer and to give them a try. I saw them. I've got some frozen blueberries, some frozen mango chunks. So we use these, we make a smoothie bowl with these, and blueberries I want to do some baking with. And also we add them into smoothies. Got a big bag of chips, the home chips. Got 2 packs of gnocchi. I made a mistake of ordering some gnocchi from Tesco the other day, thinking it was vegan, but it's not. Whereas I hope this one is. I have checked it. I'm not very good at knowing unless it says milk, then I'm not really sure. But I think that this one is vegan. I just wish they'd write it on there, but they don't on everything. I've got some Flora butter, that's for baking, and then some Flora Light, which is just what we have normally. I've got 2 packs of sweet potatoes. I've got some vegetarian sausage rolls, the Linda McCartney ones. We really like these. And I've got some Richmond sausages. These are great. We have these in the sausage sandwich. We'll be having that this week for a lunch. I've got some Applewood vegan cheese, because that's our favourite one. I've got some bananas, 2 packs of carrots, because Craig has been juicing these and making carrot juice. And then I've got some 2 packs of chestnut mushrooms, 2 broccoli, because we add that into smoothies as well as we eat that with most of our dinners. I've got a very sorry looking papaya, but hopefully it'll be all right inside, but it looks a bit bruised and a bit past it, I think. I've got 2 packs of 2 avocados, pack of peppers, some vine ripened tomatoes, some kiwi fruit. Not had kiwi for a long time because the ones in Tesco haven't been looking that great, so I haven't been buying them. I've got a pineapple, that's Lucy's favourite, butternut squash. I've got some limes, 2 cucumbers, because we eat that normally, but also Craig juices them as well. I've got 2 packs of Pink Lady apples. There's 4 in each pack there. I've got some kale, some Maris Piper potatoes, some spinach. We use that in smoothies as well. I got some cashews. I think I ordered 1 pack, but I must have got it subbed for 3 smaller packs, because I don't know why I would have ordered 3 cashew nuts. Anyway, got some cashew nuts, some cat treats, some peanut butter. We like this Whole Earth one because it hasn't got added sugar and stuff in it. I've got some Lotus Biscoff spread, because I made, before we were eating vegan, some Biscoff truffles, and now I want to try and make them a vegan version. So I've got some of that, and then I've got some cream cheese already in the fridge. I've got some vegan mayo, because these are only small jars. I wish they'd do them bigger, because we go through that so quickly, because it's amazing. And then I've got some Pizza Express salad dressing, and Lucy just has that sometimes on just some pasta. She just likes that on pasta. I've got these Outpro vanilla pots. I've already got some chocolate ones and coconut ones in the cupboard already, so I've just got some vanilla ones. Right, I've got some of this. I don't know how you pronounce it. Is it seitan? Don't know. But I keep hearing people talk about it. So I got that one and that one. I don't know what I'm going to do with it exactly yet. I haven't bought it for anything in particular. I will find something, but I thought I'd give it a go because I keep seeing places talk about that. We've got some custard powder, a little tiny bottle of wine because that's to go in one of the recipes in a stew later on in the week. I've got some of these chocolate buttons. I think they're minted, minted ones. And these, because I love this, but at Tesco we don't do, well, at my Tesco we don't do the mint one, so I got 2 of them. Got some jelly tots and also this to try. This is a white one. We've had the hazelnut one, but I saw it on it came up on the thing when I searched vegan, and I thought we'll try that. Got 2 packs of Biscoff biscuits, partly to go in the truffles, but also just to eat because they're just yummy. Some risotto rice because I'm doing mushroom risotto this week, and I've got some of this which I've not had before either, Jim Jam's chocolate orange spread, so I'm going to give that a go. And then I've got 2 of these Bosch kits. I have got one in the cupboard that's a chocolate cake that I got from Waitrose, but I saw these and thought I'd try them. So this is a lemon cupcake kit, and this one is a brownie mix. So we're going to have a go at them because it's half term this week, so we'll try them. Got some seeded bread, some crumpets, 2 packs of 2 part bake rolls, some whole wheat spaghetti because we're going to have spaghetti bolognese this week as well. I've already got the mince in the freezer. I've got some wraps which I ordered the wholemeal ones, but they got subbed for the white, so but they'll do. Because we're going to have veggie quesadillas one day for dinner this week. Got 2 coconut water because we have them when we make smoothies. I just got this as a little treat for the girls, strawberry soya milk. And then I've got 1 soya milk and 3 almond milk. So almond milk is what we add into most of our stuff. If we have cereal, if anything calls for milk, then I sub it with almond milk. But this soya is better for hot chocolates because then it's not got the nutty taste. So Chloe prefers this when she makes her hot chocolate, so that's what that's for. I've got some shampoo and conditioner, some squash, toilet rolls, and then these are the bits I got from Lidl. So I got the Fudge Brownie ice cream, which is what I ordered from Asda, but they didn't have it. But that's only £2.99 in Lidl. And then I got these ice creams. So I got them ones. And I've got these ones, which I love coconut, but I'm just not sure what they're going to taste like, but the girls will eat them anyway. And then these chocolate ones as well, which looks nice. And then I just got a couple of packs of biscuits. So I've just got some bourbons because they're only like 30p in there, and some fruit shortcakes, and some of these cocoa and orange super oat bites, which are really nice. And we've already eaten them because we had one each on the way home. But I should have got more because they're just really nice. Oh, and I did get a couple of Easter bits, but I'm going to do a separate video from that because what I'm trying to do is get some different vegan Easter bits from different places. So I'm going to order some stuff from Vegan Kind, and I've got some bits from Tesco already, and then I'm just going to do like a vegan Easter chocolate haul so you can see all the different options and varieties that are available now. So I've not included that in this video. You'll have to wait for that one. But that is everything that I got from, oh, and I also got some cat and dog food, but that's still in the car. I'll bring that in later. But yeah, that's everything that I got from Asda. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all next time.